This is the journey of the adoption
Can you stop recording, please?
Clyde.
It's not his
Or
name.
James, or what you named him?
We haven't named it yet.
Look at him, look at him, look at him.
Aww.
We're gonna see if the daddy wants him. The daddy's owners wants him. It's rainy.
Okay, can you stop recording now, please?
Where's your son? Remember the puppy? Did you guys want one? This is the last one. Of your where? I haven't seen him lately. Where is he? So do you want him or no? Hold on. So you can see. He doesn't have a name yet. No,
It's a boy.
no me amo. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I felt so bad after that. Sade took it really hard. I did not realize she was not ready to give the puppy away. So while she was at school today, me and Dirt went around the corner to get the puppy back. I feel really bad for them, but I did tell them I'll bring it back in a couple of weeks.
Around the house.
You on your way home? You on your way home? Huh? You coming back? You coming back? You coming back? Yeah, I'm coming back, Sade. I'm on my way back.